In this video we will be looking at weeks of the month in our date and time triggers. On the help page it says that week 1 starts at midnight on the 1st of the month, and for example week 3 would start at midnight on the 15th day of the month. And we can also combine with other triggers. So if we add a trigger, date and time, weeks of the month, so we select which weeks we want. So I can select the last week or the second week, and then usually you would combine that. You could combine it with days of the week if you wanted it to happen on more than one day within week 2, say a Wednesday and Friday. And you could also combine it with a custom time of say 6 PM, and they are ANDed together. So that's a quick look at weeks of the month.